Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going to the Goodwill. Let's see what goodies we find. I found this beautiful solid wood picture frame for 99 cents. I'm going to go home and see what I can go ahead and create with this beautiful picture frame. The first thing that I will be doing is I'm going to be cleaning it and taking this 99 cents tag off of here. These are the two colors that I'll be using throughout the video, Serenity Blue and white chalk paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and use both of these paints, and I will consistently switch between the Serenity Blue and the white chalk paint until my eyes are delighted with the outcome. I used a little heat just to make sure that this is dry, and then I come back with the white chalk paint and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go ahead back and forth with the white chalk paint and the Serenity Blue. I went to my Cricut Joy and I printed this, and it says relax. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this corner. After this is put in place, I will return with both the white chalk paint and the Serenity Blue. Once I'm satisfied with the appearance, I will proceed to carefully peel off the vinyl. This looks nice, I like it. I also have this little sandals, of course, from Michael's. I bought a $5 grab bag. They gave me so many of these, so I'm trying to take advantage this summer and use them as much as I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and with plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna put it right here on this corner. Several weeks ago while I was fishing, I found my inspiration in this captivating picture that adorned the wall of the cabin that I had rented for this trip. And I also have this beautiful shell that I'm going to be placing right here in the bottom. And for less than I think $1.50, I have created a simple yet such a beautiful project. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Today is another 5 under 5 DIY challenge, and we have two hosts, Missy from Crafty Cove DIY and Emily from Farm Charm Chic, and the guest host is Erin from Aimless Squirrel. On this challenge we have to create 5 projects under $5, and every month brings a different theme. This month is Thrift Flip. This airs every 5th day of each month at 5:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The links to their channels will be down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. For this second project, I purchased this beautiful wood basket. This has so much potential. The first thing that I did is I wiped it down because it was really dusty. And then I'm going to be taking all these tags away from here, and I'm going to be giving it one coat with this Serenity Blue chalk paint. Did I mention earlier in the video that I was so excited when I stumbled upon this beautiful piece? I'm gonna go ahead and distress it with white chalk paint. The potential for this little basket is endless. You could switch it around for each season. I found this rope at the bottom of my stash, which I bought at one point from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel it into 3 pieces, then I'll start wrapping it around the handle of this basket, and I'll be tucking it in with some hot glue. I'm taking this floral foam, and with some hot glue, I'm going to be placing it right inside the basket. I also have some succulents that I purchased about a year ago at a garage sale. I purchased about 100 of them. I believe it was for like $7. And with the Spanish moss, I will be filling it in. And for less than $5, I have created this beautiful floral arrangement. And now for the final reveal. Moving on to our next project, I purchased this for $1.99, of course at the Goodwill. I have no idea what this is. I thought it was a table. If somebody knows, can you let me know in the comment section? Look at this. See, it's not a table. I have no idea what this is. If somebody knows, please leave it in the comment section. The first thing that I did with this beautiful round piece was sand it a little, because I'm going to be giving it one coat with this Serenity Blue. And again, I am going to be distressing it with white chalk paint. This is going to turn out absolutely gorgeous. I purchased this beautiful piece at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm going to use a lot of hot glue, and I'll be placing it right on top of this wood round. And this rope, $1.25, also at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using only a piece, and I'll be wrapping it around the entire wood round. So before I continue decorating this beautiful piece, I'm going to go ahead and take this jute twine, and I'm going to create a hook, and this will allow us to put it on the wall. After arranging all the seashells and determining their ideal position, I'm coming in with some hot glue to secure them in place. Now just remember that we have to create this piece for less than $5. And now for the final reveal. I kindly ask you to please give me that big thumbs up if you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY. After going to like a third secondhand store, I found this beautiful frame for $1. I'm gonna go ahead and sand the entire frame. I'm also gonna be giving it 2 coats with the Serenity Blue chalk paint. To ensure the consistency, I prefer my projects to match, so I'll keep distressing them with white chalk paint. I'm trying to determine which of these I'm going to be putting for the background. I'm leaning more to the light blue. I'll cut it to size, and here it is all put together. I also went to thrift store. This was a different thrift store about a year ago. I forgot that I had this. And look at the amount of seashells that are in here, and they are huge. I totally forgot that I had this. I am loving it. So I'm going to go ahead and use only one, just to make sure that we don't use the the whole thing. Other than that, I'll be going over. Just kidding. This is beautiful. Look at this one. This is so different. This one I think is damaged, but it's still beautiful. I'm gonna keep it. And this is the one that I chose. This is adorable with plenty of hot glue. I'll be gluing it right in the center of this beautiful frame. And this is it for this beautiful project. Please let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I also purchased this one at Goodwill for 99 cents. I'm going to take it apart and I'll be giving it 3 coats with this Serenity blue. And to continue with the consistency, I'm going to be giving it, like you see, a nice distress with white chalk paint. I'm going to be using one of these napkins. I'm going to be placing it inside the frame as my background. And of course, once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and put the frame back together. And this beautiful fish, I purchased it at Dollar Tree last year. I'm not sure if it was $1 or $1.25, but I know that I bought it last year. So I'm giving it 1 coat with white chalk paint, and then I'm going to come back with the Serenity blue, and I will be alternating between both of the colors. So now with these Jenga blocks, I'm going to go ahead and glue them behind the fish and then the fish to the frame. I also want to thank Emily and Missy for putting this playlist together every month, and Ellen for being the co-host. And my dear friends, don't forget to visit the playlist down below. Make sure to give these talented creators a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. I also made this simple bowl and put it in one of the corners, and this is it for this beautiful DIY. Please share your thoughts with me in my comment section, and now for the final review.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray, ooh.